In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch accounts in Meta Business Suite. If you manage more than one Facebook page or Instagram account, knowing how to quickly switch between them inside Meta Business Suite can save you a lot of time and prevent mistakes, like posting to the wrong page. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the process, and I'll also mention a few small tips to make things smoother as you go. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. You can do this by typing the Meta Business Suite URL directly into your address bar, or by going through your Facebook menu and choosing Business Suite from there. Make sure you're signed into the Facebook profile that has access to the business accounts you want to manage. If you see your business dashboard with your pages, posts, and insights, you're in the right place. Once the Business Suite home dashboard loads, look towards the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your current profile or business name displayed, often with a small logo or profile picture next to it. This area is your account selector. Go ahead and click on that profile section. When you click it, a drop-down or side panel will open, showing a list of the different accounts and businesses that are connected to your profile. Take a moment to scan through this list. Each entry typically represents a different business, page, or account that you help manage. If you don't immediately see the account you're looking for, try scrolling through the list. Sometimes accounts are grouped or ordered in ways that aren't obvious at first glance. Now, to switch accounts, simply click on the name of the other account you want to switch to. As soon as you select it, Meta Business Suite will refresh and load the dashboard for that account. You should notice that the name and profile in the top left corner update to match the account you just selected. From here, everything you do, whether it's creating posts, checking messages, or viewing insights, will apply to this new account. If you ever need to move back to your original account or to any other one you manage, just repeat the same process. Click on the profile area in the top left, choose the account you want, and let the dashboard reload. And that's all there is to it. By using that profile menu in the top left corner of Meta Business Suite, you can quickly jump between accounts and keep your work organized and efficient.